a new Tacoma mod that'll really grab you, plus 2 more. Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to Robmotive. I've got 3 mods, more like accessories, that we're going to add to the Toyota Tacoma. One that I've been waiting for, apparently was back ordered or something, I don't know. And then one that was sent by a subscriber to the channel, Richard Choate. Thank you very much, Richard, by the way. This is awesome. I'll show you that in just a minute. And then a couple of grab handles to add a little bit of color to finish up the orange color inside my Tacoma and give you another point to grab when you're getting in and out of the back seats. So let's go over all of this stuff, by the way, or a couple of the items anyway, will be linked down below if you want to check them out. So the first one I'm going to put in are these grab handles. If you're not familiar with these, you can get them in, I don't know, thousands of different colors probably. They just hook on the back seat right in the posts that go down for the back headrests. I got mine in orange, of course, for the orange theme on the truck. Let's go over, I'll show you how to put them in. You can see what they look like. Okay, these are not complicated, no tools required. I would say probably some of my favorite type of mods. So first you need to raise the seat, or the headrest, I guess, not the seat. Go ahead and pull it out. They're gonna hook on or go around the posts in the headrest itself. Now, mine in particular, you can go 2 different ways, darker or blacker on one side or full orange on the other. Given the orange theme, I want the orange to show out as much as possible. So they just kind of hook around here like so. We'll let that one rest there while I get the other one on. You need almost 3 hands to do these kind of things, I think. Hook the other one on in the bottom like so. That's really about it. And then go ahead and reinsert your headrest. Pretty simple. You do have to push in on the side thing here to get it going back down. That's it, and it just gives you another point to be able to grab when you're getting in and out of the truck, and it also adds a little bit of orange bling on the inside. Let's go ahead and do the other one. There you go. And then, like I said, just go ahead and slip it back in. Pretty simple to do. Back in the day, they'd have said it was cinchy. Remember that word? Are you old enough to remember that word? You probably not. Anyway, just goes on like so. Again, gives you a couple of points to grab onto when you're getting in and out of the truck. For me though, primarily it's the extra color or bling that it adds back here. I think it's pretty cool. Just something to kind of offset everything else. At the end of the video, I'll do a little pan across here from the back to the front so you can see how it blends in or matches the other orange accents that I have in the truck. Now, let's move on to number 2, what Richard sent me, which I think is just awesome. Let's check this out. It is a flashlight. It's called Halo XT Multi-Use Flashlight. So, there's a picture of what it looks like. Let's go ahead and pop this puppy open. I've already looked at one. It is rechargeable, which is pretty cool. And the thing I like about it probably the most is it is solar. So you can recharge or charge this thing in the sun. So if you're out somewhere camping or whatever, you can just leave it sit outside in the sunlight. It will recharge. But in addition to that, it also, and we'll show you while I'm here, has a compass on the side so that when you get lost out there, you know where to go. Go ahead and unscrew that. And there are a couple of outlets on there. One is so you can plug it in and charge it. You can use like an iPad kind of thing, anything that has that little end that fits, plug it into the wall and charge it up. The other side, you flip the cord around and it will fit in your cell phone, assuming of course it has the right jack. But you could use the battery in this to charge your cell phone if you get in a bind. Now, it has a little window breaker here on the side in case you need to break your window for something. You know, you have an accident, God forbid, and you need to get out of the truck. Has a hammer on this side, a little bit of pounding. You wouldn't want to build a house with it, but you could pound something. Little seat belt cutter here in case you need to get out of your seat belt for some reason. And then Of course, it is a flashlight. The light itself, see if it's charged enough to come on. It may not be. Yeah, it's not charged enough to come on right now. I did just get it, does need to charge. Has a little indicator there. When you plug it in, it'll flash red at the top, or I'm sorry, yeah, at the top when you have the end off. It'll flash red up here. When that is solid, it lets you know it's completely charged. Again, just a cool little device. I think it's pretty neat. I'm actually gonna sit it out in the sun while I finish the video, and we're gonna see if it charges enough to go ahead and come on. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna sit it right outside. It's a bright sunny day, so it should charge pretty quick. Now, let's get on to number 3. A little mod, accessory, addition that I've been waiting for that finally came. All right, number 3, the one I've been waiting for, is to replace these. These are the paper thin factory floor mats that were in the back of my Toyota Tacoma. I had already replaced the front with Huskies, and I did go with the same brand. I did order the back set of Huskies to match. In hindsight, for testing purposes, I probably should have ordered WeatherTech, but I think Huskies are the best. So we've got these out. We're gonna set them aside. Here are the Huskies. That's what it looks like. If you're interested, there will be a link down below, but there is the part number. I can get it in the screen. Where is it? Right there. Hopefully you could see that. Anyway, let's go ahead and cut this open, and then we're going to throw it in the back of the truck, see how it fits. I'll let you know what I think about it. Looks like a perfect fit to me. Let's take a look at everything inside the truck now. Here are the rear floor mats. Nice good fit in here, I think. Right along the side or the edge here, overlapping the sill plate or the kick plate, whatever you want to call this, the interior edge, all the way across. Getting kind of dark. There you go. Looks pretty good to me. I think they're a good match. Again, let's take a quick look at the fronts. You can see there, other than a little dirty from me using them, they look pretty darn good. Now, 2 things. I told you I'd give you a little panoramic inside the truck. Again, there are the grab handles I put on. You step in here. You guys can kind of see there's the trim pieces on the door, kind of to match what's on the seat there. We go into the front. You can see kind of the same thing. There's my freshly painted console logo. A couple of patches up there, by the way, the old logo. And then a little bit more orange across the side. Of course, over here on the door is the other little orange trim piece, as well as the one up there in the front. And the cup holders down there. And most of this stuff, like the little trim pieces and things, are from Tough Skins anyway, a majority of it. So let's grab that flashlight real quick and see if it's charged up and what it looks like. It's been sitting out in the sun. It is quite warm, actually. Let's see if it works. I don't know if it's been long enough. Here we go. There you go. It's blinding the camera, of course. So in just that long, and it was probably, I'd say maybe 20 minutes, something like that. I didn't film right away once I shut down last time. It has lit up. So pretty cool. Again, thanks, Richard. This is awesome. I love it. Anyway, leave a comment. Just a few more bits and pieces for the Tacoma. To kind of dress it up a little bit and add a little bit of function as far as the floor mats go in the back. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I'd be curious. Also, real quick, if you're interested, I do have 2 additional channels. Robmotive FST, all about my 2021 Toyota Tundra. And Robmotive JT, all about my 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Check them out, and if you're interested, why not subscribe? Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And do me a favor, smash that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.